If you want to know about dialysis, you need to know about the function of kidney in our human body. What is the function of kidney in a human body is to purify the blood and take off the toxic elements and unwanted fluids from the blood. In some situations, patients will lose his kidney by diseases like chronic kidney disease and kidney failure. In the situations, the patient need to purify his blood. So he goes to hospital 3 days a week averagely, depends upon the situation, condition, and purify his blood. Blood. And there is two types of hemodialysis and peritoneal dialysis. Hemodialysis means patient goes to hospital and purifies the blood, and peritoneal dialysis means the doctor fixes fluid, which is a natural filters the blood, and they both are not a permanent process. They're temporary until patient gets a kidney transplant.
First of all, why they want to go for dialysis?
If kidney fails,
Why kidney is failing?
not drinking
Drinking water?
over, or she need to drink optimum water.
Each and every person should have to take proper water.
Water.
Maybe not less than 3 liters.
Hmm.
Is it not?
Not
That,
more or less.
that too. You students or many people are consuming the school drinks and some unfiltered. Which have to filter all these things?
Kidney should
Your body should filter. In body, which organ is filtering?
kidneys.
Kidneys. If there is no proper function of kidneys, where it will go? Again, there was all
It
the
forms as
unfiltered
rock.
things are will stack.
Forms as rock.
Maybe as stones.
Stones.
They may block in gallbladders. Is it not? So the first precaution for students is don't go for cool drinks. Take the fruit juices, proper fruit juices. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.